Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily properly store your BlackWidow V3 Mini. So at first, turn your keyboard off using the switch and put it to the middle one. Here, now, if wired, unplug the USB Type-C cable. Clean before storing. Blow out dust with compressed air or use a soft brush. Wipe keycaps and body with a microfiber cloth. Dampened with a ladle is a purple alcohol. Remove fingerprints and oil. Degrade plastic over time. Use a case or sleeve. Either store it in a drawer or bag. Use a keyboard sleeve, hard case, or even the original box. Protects from dust, scratches, spills, and pressure. Tip: a padded laptop sleeve works perfectly. I know because I used one. Avoid pressure and weight. Don't stack heavy items on it, and avoid storing under books or laptops. Keep it in a cool, dry place, and I think that the battery should be recharged every few weeks after wireless use. To avoid, of course, discharge damage. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.